Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and we're doing another video. This is going to be in conjunction with the box base curtain rods which I purchased on Amazon's. I also purchased a set of curtains called XTMYI curtains. They are 40 inches in length, and, and correction, 40 inches in width, and 68 inches in length. I also purchased some curtain tiebacks, black in color. I cannot pronounce the name, but if you also read the description, you'll get more information about the curtain tiebacks. So the curtains turned out to be pretty good. They were definitely a good purchase. They are not too light, but thick enough in order to hang on the curtain rod, which matches. I'll also be doing something different as well. So if you keep checking with this video, I'll be getting a set of drapes and then be getting some curtain holdbacks. So this was definitely a good purchase. It definitely matches the curtain box-based curtain rods that I purchased. So it's definitely a good investment. I'm very happy with it. So there we go. The set of curtains made by XTMYI. You can find them out in the Amazon. And there we go. Hey, thanks a lot for checking out this quick video. And hope to see you again. Check out my YouTube channel and playlist, and be sure to read the description. Have more other videos with this dining room. And you guys have a great day. Bye.